One of the signs that you have developed some level of mastery over your mixed voice is having the ability to sing a phrase or even an entire portion of a song that lives in that higher range, which requires you to use a mixed voice in order for things to feel comfortable and sustainable. If you feel like you can only squeeze a note out and then are exhausted, if you feel like your voice is getting stuck or feel like you are hitting a ceiling, then keep watching because I have the perfect exercise for you. Let's go. Hey, what's up? I'm Tyler Wysong, and this channel is all about helping you build your confidence as a singer by becoming competent with your vocal technique. I do that by sharing some of the best tips and tools and words of encouragement, like different strategies for the mixed voice. If you are interested in that, definitely hit that subscribe button now. Okay, so the first thing that I want you to understand is the mixed voice goes deeper at the level of the vocal cords than just chest voice and head voice, or thyroidnoid dominant and cricothyroid dominant, or M1 or M2. It's not just all or nothing. There is the possibility of developing differential control at the level of the vocal cords. You see, the muscle that runs through the cord is called the thyroidnoid. And there are different portions of this muscle. It's not just one long muscle. And those different portions of that muscle are responsible for different things. For example, the muscularis portion of the thyroidnoid muscle is responsible for bulking the vocal cords and helping to assist lower the pitch, which is obviously something you don't want to do when you're singing up high in your range. So we can call that your pitch lowering muscle to keep it simple. But there's another portion of that muscle, the vocalis portion, that helps to position the body of the vocal cords and get more of the body of the vocal cord in the vibration, which is going to make you sound more chesty. It's going to make you sound more like your speaking voice and not like a head voice when you don't want to sound like that. So what we have to learn to do, to keep it very simple, is we have to learn to let go and hold on at the same time. Everybody has this ability. Let me give you an exercise right now that is going to lead you in to this differential control, which can unlock a whole host of songs for you to start singing. You see, at the end of the day, no matter how many riffs or runs you can do, no matter how many tone qualities you can do, if you are lacking certain notes in your range, you're always going to be limited. So we need to work this out. Let's do it right now. You're going to need a buzzy card, a business card, to do a type of noise with, because we're going to use this as an onset. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the card as an onset to then go to this gentle ooh sound that you may have heard me talk about before. And that's going to sound like this. And that's kind of a sneaky little sound right there because, yes, it sounds like headier on top, but it is not falsetto. It stays connected even though it sounds heady. I would advise you to work that up and down your range. Also, a very crucial part of this exercise, and really singing in general, is that your upper abdomen isn't squeezing in on you. In fact, it should be shh, shh, shh. It feels like down and out. And if I just stand up here real quick and I go shh, shh. You see, it's really gentle. It's not like I have a beer gut, and it's not like I'm forcing my stomach out. But if you just cough gently or you make that shh sound, you will feel that upper abdomen just naturally kind of kick outward. So we want that to be happening while we're doing this gentle ooh. It's very, very gentle though. Like, it's not a forceful movement of the stomach here, but this is kind of a key component to your mixed voice. What you're going to do is when you get to that top pitch, you're going to just hang on that top pitch and you're going to sing the word your. Your middle So that's a mixy place for me. I'm not shouting. I'm not feeling an excessive amount of pressure here at all. And my voice feels like it has rotated up this way and is just blooming out effortlessly. All the while keeping a little sense of this shh outward movement in the abdomen. Really important. You're singing over me. You're singing over me. It's all I'll ever need. It's all I'll ever need. You're singing over me. You're singing over me. It's all I'll ever need. It's all I'll ever need. Finding that gentle ooh with the right kind of flow and the right kind of focus, and then just speaking a word up there, if you will, which wheels in the mix, and you just give it enough so that you sound talky. Work on this deliberately and you will be soaring high in no time. If you like this exercise, but you want a more systematic approach to building your mixed voice, I just released a brand new course called Mixed Voice Masterclass Volume 2. This course is incredible. It is a game changer for building your mixed voice. If you're interested in that, I have a link for you down below. My friend Jim Rohn said it best. Success is neither magical nor mysterious. Success is the natural consequence of consistently applying basic fundamentals. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day, while failure is simply a few errors in judgment repeated every day. It is the accumulative weight of our disciplines and our judgments that leads us to either fortune or failure. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And again, if you haven't yet, definitely hit that subscribe button and join the family so you'll be notified when I release more videos just like this one. Until next time.